Assuming you're searching for Velo cost expectations, gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Velo will fundamentally go from now on. We will in a real sense break down the past costs of Velo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, really remember that you want to take this expectation in each and every practical sense, other forecast with the goal that this generally is just the idea of some market master, experts amazingly. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally inconceivable, or so they thought. In any case, we will make an honest effort in an essentially enormous manner. We should begin, or so they thought. Velo past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Velo especially is $0. Velo is as of now in every practical sense, position number 481 in the very whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Velo generally is 4,984,154,058 with a market cap of $31,393,663, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost certainly has shown a genuinely decent increment of 7.23% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours. Velo is confronting a for the most part difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Velo is down to nearly 25.81% over the most recent 7 days. The coin certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment. In any case, after the contrasting the genuinely current cost and recent days cost history, it is seen that Velo really has expanded 60.928% in its worth in a significant manner. The very normal lease cost for the month is $0. Exceptionally greatest normal value sort of was $0, or so they thought. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to prettier arrangement of coins for commonly long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 82.08% and the cost explicitly circled from a really least kind of typical cost of $0 greatest extremely normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Velo has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we generally believe that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period. As per the in every way that really matters, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo is expanded from 4 months, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost. The coin is up by 77.00% with the in every practical sense. Most extreme normal cost of the coin truly was around $0. The base in every way that really matters. Normal value of was around $0 beyond 4 months, or so they thought. We generally anticipate future Velo cost expectations. Velo conjecture by applying fundamentally profound man-made reasoning helps specialized investigation on the past value information of Velo. We do our in every way that really matters, best to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Velo coin which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Velo market cap, Velo volume and hardly any sort of more in an especially enormous manner. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and by and large need especially great profit from your ventures, try to generally peruse our expectations, which is very huge. Velo Value Expectation 2023 as per our especially profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo. In 2023 the cost of Velo is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0 a significant manner. The Velo value worth can truly arrive at a limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD. Which sort of is genuinely huge. Velo Value Expectation 2024 the cost of Velo is anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach at least degree of 1 cent in 2024. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 1 cent with the exceptionally normal cost of 1 cent all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value conjecture for 2025 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2025 the cost of Velo essentially is anticipated to sort of reach at any rate level of 1 cent. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 1 cent with the typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Velo Value Expectation 2026 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2026 the cost of Velo for the most part is supposed to reach at least value worth of 2 cents in a significant manner. The Velo cost can in a real sense arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents with the sort of typical worth of 2 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking, in a for the most part enormous manner. Velo Value Forecast 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on extremely past value information of Velo. In 2027 the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at an especially least degree of 3 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 4 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 3 cents. which is very critical. Velo Value Expectation 2028 Velo cost is estimate to arrive at a kind of the most minimal genuinely conceivable degree of 4 cents in 2028. Or so they thought. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could generally arrive at in every practical sense, greatest conceivable degree of 5 cents with the essentially normal gauge cost of 4 cents, in a significant manner. Velo Value Expectation 2029 The cost of one Velo is supposed to generally reach at any rate level of 6 cents in 2029. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 8 cents with the sort of typical cost of 7 cents all through 2029. Velo Value Estimate 2030 Velo cost is gauged to arrive at a particularly the most reduced conceivable degree of 9 cents in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a very most extreme conceivable degree of 12 cents with the typical figure cost of 10 cents, in spite of mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. Velo Value Forecast 2031 The cost of Velo is basically anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 14 cents in 2031, which is very critical. The Velo cost could arrive at a kind of greatest worth of 17 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 15 cents all through 2031. In an unobtrusive manner, Velo Value Expectation 2032 The cost of Velo is anticipated to generally reach at any rate worth of 20 cents in 2032 in a significant manner. The Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 24 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 21 cents all through 2032, which is genuinely huge. What will be the Velo actually the most noteworthy gauge cost for 2023? The Velo cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 the finish of 2023, which is genuinely critical. What amount will Velo be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Velo will have a base cost of 4 cents and a most extreme cost of 3 cents per Velo. Since Velo is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth varies radically. What is the Velo cost today? Today Velo is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $31,393,663, which basically is genuinely critical. Is Velo a very wise venture? Which certainly is genuinely critical. Velo's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general essentially energize cost ascend in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the in every practical sense. Greatest exploration conceivable. What amount will Velo be worth in 2030? As far as value, Velo really has an exceptional truly potential to arrive at new levels. It sort of is conjecture that Velo will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business experts, Velo can commonly stir things up around town the greatest cost of 24 cents till 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. How especially does Velo cost in 2024? The cost of Velo will increment as genuinely more financial backers engage in the task. In year 2024, Velo will sort of be in every way that really matters, worth about a normal cost of 1 cent. How high could Velo at any point go? The typical cost of Velo